So this is what we're going to be going over today. Oh yes, I'm going to be showing you all the spice. This is one you want to stay for. I'm going to be doing a full tune breakdown. What I do with the melody, everything, the build up, and the drop, all that shit. So much juice. The BPM is at 150. Got this nice little 8-bar fall, and I made that from a session a long time ago. I have like this like kind of thing right here. I have this top end right here, right, and that's like the harp. It's like cut off around 200 hertz. Use the sub end of it right down here, and I just boosted it a little bit. I also added these. And these I got from like a video game sound pack. So like, you know, look on the internet for like packs and stuff. A weird one because it's in E. So what I try to do is a basic. I looked up the E minor scale, and then I started with kind of like something like this. I went like this. You know, try to. See, I heard something there that I could create with harmonics. I just went off of what kind of is in my head already. When I was little, I used to listen to a lot of, and I always wanted to make it, so it's kind of like what just comes out of me. What really takes a toll in the melody is having the different sizes of notes. And this one, I have this note short, and I have this one like a little longer, so it's like kind of dragged. I'm starting on E, going up. The reason why I'm doing this is I'm trying to create this like tension in my head. This is like the same notes. So G is kind of hit in that middle tone constantly, if I'm correct. Yeah, see? That G is really aligns with that. Also G on the harp, and then the melody's already in E. So you know you start off with E. I have space. I have some space, atmosphere, and I have this kind of going down. So I changed the melody. So this is where it comes in. You have to actually really try. I played around with the melody that I had. I shortened things. I made it. So I tried to be different is pretty much what I'm saying. I took some notes. I threw them around. I did the sub going up. I'm showing so much goodies right now. And then I created this. Okay, right? And then I have the kicks going like this. Triplets. Well, I hold tunes in triplets, that's why I did that. But then I have this. I have the melody going up on the pitch. And then I have my claps kind of like. You know. Oh, then I have this. Kind of like symbols to add to. You always want to sidechain your build up. We'll get into pre-drop, kind of like what I did for the pre-drop. I'm starting to sense the put some of the sounds that I already was using in the drop, and then changed it up. Just have a couple of different sounds here. I got this from a video game thing. I'm starting to sense it. And then I just put in triplets. And I had this from an old. I have this. And then I put this guy going hands up right there before. Remember, they're in triplets. Have that kind of as an impact. Have that as an impact. This is in the background, just doing its thing. You can't really hear it, but it adds. And then I have these. Then I have this like boom, boom, clap, you know. chill to this. And then I have some these under here. Everything with the background sounds like this. So what I did with the sounds, so try to make some like weird groove. I totally changed the pattern in a way, but the same sound, different texture. And then I pretty much did the same type of thing, but like, but just kind of switched it up a little bit. You know, switched it up a lot. Here, what I did, I kind of was really inspired off of Infect. So what I did is I kept it going with this stuff, right? But I started to muffle it down because it's something I've been noticing with a lot of this new rhythm coming out. It goes down, chills out, keeps the listener listening. And then I have this in the back. I forgot I had these in the back. Forgot to just hiding these right here. So all I did is I literally used the analog, the first one here. Put the wavetable up. Put the had the LFO kind of like like this. Put it on trig, so every time that it restarts, it's gonna restart. Then without the combs filtering, that's what it sounds like. And then what I did here, that kind of sounds really good. I might do that with the switch up on my second drop, but I had the drive. I had another combs on it, just to give it more width. So that's pretty much all the sounds. And then, like, you know, all I really did with, if I'm pretty sure someone's wondering, like, how did you make this? I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. That's 456, my bad. Or that's at 601, 65, 50%, you know. Like, you know what I mean? Just a lot of combs, and that's all these sounds pretty much. Be creative with it and be more creative than me, but that's what we have here, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please sub. And remember, it's just like a sandbox when it comes to creating tunes. Not this. Don't ever give up. Music is fun.